What is a computer? Is it a toy or a machine or a pencil or a bag? That's right. A computer is a smart machine that helps us learn and play. Which part shows pictures and videos? Is it A, mouse, keyboard, monitor, speaker? Well done! The monitor shows us everything on the screen, just like a TV. What do we use to type on a computer? Is it A, mouse, CPU, keyboard, printer? Yes, the keyboard helps us type letters and numbers. Which part helps us click on things? Keyboard, monitor, mouse, speaker? Well done! The mouse lets us move and click on things on this screen. What is the brain of the computer? Monitor, CPU, mouse, or pen drive? Excellent! The CPU is the brain of the computer that helps it think. Which part plays sound or music? Keyboard, speaker, monitor, or CPU? That's right. Speakers help us hear sounds and music. What do we use to store files? Ruler, monitor, pen drive, or book? Yay! A pen drive stores pictures, videos, and more. What does a printer do? Video, print, music, or click? Awesome! A printer gives us a paper copy of what's on the screen. Which part helps you talk into the computer? Monitor, mouse, microphone, or speaker? Great, a microphone lets us speak or sing into the computer. What can you do on a computer? Eat, watch videos, sleep, or drink? Yay! Computers help us watch videos, learn, and have fun.